Hello kids, today I am here again with my new concept of verbs doing words. Open your book, page number 47, then we will read sentences related to verbs. Okay, page number 48. So open your book, page number 47. First of all, ma'am will make you clear. First of all, ma'am will make you learn what is verb. Verb क्या है और doing words. Doing it means to do something, कुछ ना कुछ करना. So doing words और action words, हम इन्हें action words भी कहते हैं. Action it means to do something. So doing words means to do something. Doing words means to do something. Doing words are verbs. Doing words क्या है? Verbs हैं that describe action by the subject. जो क्या बताता है? Action यानी काम बताता है जो subject कर रहा है. Subject it means जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है. Like walking. I am walking. I am speaking. I am watching. I am reading. I am writing. So whatever we do, हम जो भी करते हैं, they all are action words or doing words. Like walking, running, jumping, eating, drinking, sleeping, working, writing, reading, standing, sitting, singing, dancing, they all are verbs or action words or doing words. Walking. Okay, now here is he is walking. This boy is running. ये क्या कर रहा है? What is the boy doing? Running. He is running. He is jumping. She is eating. She is drinking. He is sleeping. The man is working. He is writing. Now he is reading. He is standing. He is sitting. And he is singing. They all are doing words. Okay. Now tell me what is ma'am doing? Ma'am is teaching. Teaching you. Ma'am is teaching you. So now we have to read some sentences. Now look at the pictures. What is the horse doing? Horse क्या कर रहा है? The horse is jumping. What the fat man is doing? What is the fat man doing? The fat man is walking. Okay, now what is the boy doing? The boy is writing. And what is the thin man doing? The thin man is sleeping on his bed. Now, what are these? These are dogs, na? So the dogs are playing. They are playing with ball. Now the young man is standing near the tree. The old man standing under the tree. Young man क्या कर रहा है? Stand है. कहाँ पर? ट्री के पास. And जो old man है वो बैठा हुआ है. कहाँ पर बैठा हुआ है? Under the tree. So jumping, walking, writing, sleeping, playing, standing, sitting, they all are doing words. They all are doing words. Now what you all are doing? You all are studying. And that's all for today. This was the concept of verbs or doing words. Doing words like laughing, crying, standing, sitting, walking, running, jumping, playing. They all are doing words. So now इससे related जो भी assignment है तो वो आप तक पहुंच जाएगा. You have to complete that assignment at your home and make sure you will learn the spelling and learn the words also. So take care. Have a nice day.